Hello guys, I'm Utkarsh, your host in this series Discover AI, brought to you by the Society of Artificial Intelligence. Today, we will be learning about the topic flowcharts. Well, someday or another, we all make plans for spending vacations and part ourselves from the daily busy routine. There comes in the problem. A destination can be reached via many means, be it a train, flight, or a bus. But there are different measures which we have to take into consideration in order to get a smooth ride. A flight might seem the most time efficient way to travel, but the tickets on the same scenario could wipe up your wallet really fast. The bus, on the other hand, might help you managing your wallet efficiently, but the comfort and time might be compromised a bit. Hmm, so a train maybe. Well, it has an average ticketing price and comfort, but still the choice lies all upon you and the passengers accompanying. Let's make this a bit easier as each one of you out there can have possibly infinite ways of planning your trip. But somehow the decision is not too complex and you can make out a way easily after simple comparisons. Though this was a simple task, but most of the tasks in real life might not have such easy approach and finding a solution might exhaust you out. The machines work on a similar workflow by comparing the consequences and finding an efficient way. But a machine can handle numerous amount of data and come to a conclusion even faster than a human, that too without being exhausted. Well, understanding the machine's processing can be a difficult task though. Even being a normal compare and adapt scenario, it might be difficult to understand the working as the mapping of conditions may create a network which might be a mess to understand. This is how the flowcharts were invented. To understand complexity of a program, we consider drawing a step-by-step flow of a program. Let's understand this from an example. Let's say we are hungry and craving for a snack. We go to the market to buy some snacks. We check for the available money in our wallet. Then we check the weather. If it's cold, then we buy a burger. And if it is hot, we buy an ice cream. Anyhow, we eat the bought item and come back home. See how easy it was to define a task step by step by drawing it sequentially. A flowchart may be a graph which represents calculation, work process, or a procedure in sequential order. It is demonstrated as boxes of various sorts and their request by associating them with bolts. They are usually utilized in numerous fields to review, plan, improve, and convey frequently complex procedures in clear and straightforward charts. Flowcharts use ovals, parallelograms, rectangles, diamonds, and potentially numerous other shapes to define the sort of step alongside some connecting arrows to define the flow of sequence. Flowcharts are sometimes termed as process flowchart, process map, functional flowchart, or process flow diagram accordingly. To ensure that a flowchart works, we have to observe a couple of fundamental development rules. Every flowchart will begin with a start node and terminate into the end node. Every flowchart must have only and only one start node. The flow of control should consistently enter the chart from the top and leave the chart from the base. The flow of control must not be broken. You can utilize decision items to give the flow a selection of ways to follow. This was all for this video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot to go with ahead. Thank you and enjoy learning with the Society of Artificial Intelligence.